Hey you guys, this is my closet. I'm getting ready to clean it out so you can clean with me. And this is the worst my closet has ever been. My closet never looked like this before, never. And at some point I just got really lazy and just not taking care of it, but it's all about to change. I'm gonna get it back nice and clean. You see I got blankets up there, my suitcase, which just need to be thrown out. Maybe it's some good, I don't know. And I got shoes on the floor, and I got shoes in this blue bin. And like when the seasons change, like the summertime, I would take out my sandals and stuff from the bin and put it out on the floor. And then when the season changed back to like winter, I'll put my sandals up and put my boots and stuff like that out and sit them out in the closet. Because as you can see, I do have limited space. It's not a big closet to walk in, but it's not huge. And that's the problem with my place. I lack storage, you know? As you can see, I'm moving some of these shoes out the way. I got purses on the floor. Heating pad. Get some of these shoes out the way. Kind of want to push some of this stuff out the way. Hair stuff. Wigs. I bought this. It's like a mattress protector. And at some point, I need to put it on my bed. So this is the bin where I keep my shoes. As you see, I got a lot of some boots in here right now. But I'm gonna take out, I got some of my flip-flops and stuff out, but I'm gonna take out my summer shoes so I can put them on the floor. This is a sandal. Cute. So as you see, this is the bin I keep my shoes in. I need another one because it's toe up, but I'm not gonna buy that right now. Excuse how I look, y'all. You know, it's still Saturday morning. So, oh well. So most of it in this bin now is boots. I did take out some of my summer shoes already. Like my sandals and wedges and stuff I wear in the summertime. So taking those out to sit on the floor so I won't be going back and forth in the bin when getting shoes. So a lot of these shoes I don't even wear. Like these for one. I think these are Sperry's. I think I got them because of the price, but I really have nothing to wear with this color. And I really don't wear tennis shoes, sneakers anyway. I had this shoe for a while, and it kind of still looked new. I'm gonna leave it in the bin because I rarely wear heels, but it's a nice shoe. Real pretty color. This is a shoe. It's pretty too. Well, I'm showing y'all my shoes. This is a pretty shoe. And I got it because I like how it looked. It was pretty. But I really don't wear heels. I really don't go nowhere to wear this. And I actually never wore these. Never wore these. Same with these. Never wore them. I just got them to have on hand. Like, maybe I go somewhere and dress up, and I have me a shoe already. Like, these are shoes that's years old. Years old. I need to get rid of this. It's actually hurt my feet, my toe area. Maybe I get rid of them. I think I basically got all of my sandals and stuff that I'm gonna wear out. I got this shoe as well because I like how I look. I never wore these. But I'm gonna keep these. I really like them. Maybe I get a chance to wear them. Oh, this is my Jesus shoe. So I got all the shoes that I'm gonna wear like summertime. They all kind of like a nude color. I got them out so I can just move this bed back. As you can see, I have to vacuum this floor. I got my tennis shoes that I really wear on the floor. I just go walking in these because I really don't wear tennis shoes either. So I can keep all those out. So I do put these boots that I had for this, and I'm putting them up in the bin. Boot season is over. I did buy this drawer thing about 2 weeks ago to put my clothes in it, my underclothes, t-shirts, and just pants I wear around the house. So I had it sitting by my window over there in front of that. But I'm going to move it in my closet because I don't want to sit in my bedroom anymore. And so I'm going to put it back there in my closet. So stop fixing the shoes up so I can put that in there. So I got the dresser. That's not really a dresser, but the drawers in sitting in the back of the closet against the wall. I actually got that from Walmart. It was like $56 for a 4-drawer little tower. And I actually need another one because you'll see I got shirts, t-shirts sitting on top of that. So I'm going to get another one. They did have a 3-tier one. So I'm going to get a 3-tier next because I still have clothes to put in there because I have no dresser anymore. It was tore up, and so I had to get rid of it. And so I thought this was just a little cheapest way to save money instead of buying a full-blown dresser. Just get these. Now I have to finish straightening up my shoes and then tackle that on the top, which is I got scarves and gloves, my jeans folded up, and I'll do that next. So the shoes all put away. Now I'm gonna tackle the top of this side of the closet. Get the stuff down. Purses and stuff. Just throwing it on the floor. Shirts, gloves, a couple of hats, scarves, and stuff like that. Jeans. I'll do them next. Had to fold them up. So one of the things I did buy was these storage things. I got 2 of them. And I said I will put the stuff that's sitting on top of my closet, like the gloves and all that kind of stuff, in one. And I bought these from Family Dollar. Nope, take that back, with Dollar General. And this, I think the small one was $8. And then the bigger one was $12. So I said I was, so the top of my closet won't be as messy and stuff just everywhere up there. I bought these to put stuff in it, like the gloves and stuff and the hats. Never wore this. I think I got this 2 years ago. I think my sister bought this for Christmas. Or either I bought it because it's like, you know how New York Company having this stuff was like $5. So, yeah. And then scarves. Love scarves. So I'll just sit this stuff in these storage baskets in my closet. So I got a hat. It's my Team Carolina Panthers. Keep pounding. Scarves. I don't even think this winter gone had got cold enough to wear scarves. Well, I just didn't go anywhere like that. Anyway. Favorite scarf right here. I did wear this one time. It's my favorite. books and stuff put up. So, and then for the bigger one, I said I could use this to put purses in. So that's what I'm gonna do for this one. It's cute. I'm all about these. Oh, money. I had two smaller purses. And I'm also going to put some belts that I have. I'll stick them right on in here with that. I know I had another one. Flip flop. So I believe that these storage baskets would keep me a little organized. I know where everything get. Purses is in one, and scarves and stuff, they are in another one. So my closet won't be as junky. As stated before, my closet never has been like this. This is the first time I have ever had my closet this messy. And so it's gonna get clean. It's gonna stay clean.